In this video you will learn how to arrange or properly arrange all your boats, okay, so that they don't get mixed up with all these unread charts or unread groups. Do you understand? So we want to have a clean place where we will just concentrate on our boats, okay, or jump from one boat to another without having or being confused about where our boats are, mining boats. So what we have to do is to just come here, okay, to these three dots, this hamburger, then you create a new group, okay, you click on new group, you click on this place here, this arrow, then you give the group a name. Once you give the group a name, for example, you can say my mining boats, then you click on good, which I have done, and that is what you see here. So when you do that, you will get this. So I named mine already as mining boats 1 and mining boats 2 because each one takes 21 boats, maximum of 21, and the other one takes maximum of 21. So I created 2 groups just the same way I showed you now. Now once that is done, pin it, pin your group, just hold and then you come here to pin these 3 dots, you pin. So you can see I have already pinned and I wouldn't want to unpin. What you'll be seeing here is pin, so pin it so that it will be at the top, so that whenever you open your Telegram app, your bots will be up here, okay. So that's how it works. Now that we have created a mining bots group, so I will begin to add my boats here. I've already added 17, but there's one I need to add again. So what I need to do now is to go and look for that particular bot, so which is seed app, okay, this one, seed app. If you can't find it, just search for it here, just says seed or whatever bot it is, seed, hamster, memfi, you know, pixelverse, whatever it is, type it here and it will come out. Look for the one that says boats. That's how you know the original boat that you're supposed to add. So this is seed app boat, so click on it. So when you click on it, come here, okay, to the top here, you click here and then you will see add to group or channel. Now I will be adding to group 2, so I've clicked on it and I want to add to my mining bot 2. You can see, very easy. You just click here and select it, then you click on add bot member down here, then add, and that's that. Then when I come, you can see now I have 18 members in the group. So when I come to my mining bots here, you will see this is how I added. When you come here, so that is how you look for your mining bots to open. Just come here. Now that I've opened it, look at it, come here, you click up here and then you will see all your boats. You can see this is how I keep adding them one by one, just using the same method I've showed you. Please watch this video again and again and again and again until you understand. It's very easy. So you can see this is what I added now, seed mining app. So that's why it's easy for me. You know, once you finish here, you come here. 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 So under 20-30 minutes, you're already done with all this mining here. You understand? So see you in the next one.